Hi, I'm Josh Miller. Congratulations and thank you for choosing Germain Lexus of Easton. We're honored to welcome you into the Lexus family and look forward to taking care of you and your vehicle for many years to come. While you're familiar with our showroom, our service center is located just a few minutes away at 3481 Morris Road. Now I'll introduce you to our service director, who will run through some exclusive benefits of being a Lexus owner.
Hello, I'm Grant Garrison. My service team is here to make sure that your ownership is exceptional throughout the whole process. Your new or L-certified Lexus includes complimentary services performed by Lexus Master Certified Technicians. A free gift awaits you at the service center, and during your visit, you can schedule your first appointment and pick up your car wash barcode. Your Lexus comes with 12 months of car washes and resets to 12 months after every service visit. Operating the car wash is easy. A sticker will be placed on the inside of your windshield. Pull under the barcode reader and wait for the arm to raise. Pull on the track and place the vehicle in neutral. Press and hold the start button for 2 seconds and the car wash will take it from there. Thank you for choosing Germain Lexus of Easton. We look forward to seeing you soon.